Do you hear that cracking sound? What could it be? Oh, it's a little chick hatching from an egg. Though eggs are commonplace and might even be in your kitchen right now, eggs really are interesting, remarkable adaptations in nature. Today, we're learning about one of nature's most incredible and versatile creations, eggs. Whether you're a fan of scrambled eggs for breakfast, fascinated by the way animals use eggs to reproduce, or curious about the cultural significance of painted eggs, this video will give you all the details. Today we'll explore what eggs are, why animals need them, the different types of eggs found in the animal kingdom, and even the art of egg painting, including its connection to Easter and the intricate designs of painted eggs. Let's crack open this egg-cellent topic. At the most basic level, an egg is a reproductive body produced by females of many species. It's a structure that contains the nutrients needed for the development of an embryo into a new organism. Eggs come in various forms, but they all share the same basic purpose: to protect the developing young and provide nutrients. For most animals, eggs serve as a way to house and nurture the embryo during its early development, before it hatches into a more complex form. The structure of an egg consists of several parts: the shell, which protects the egg white or albumin, which provides nutrients and protection for the developing embryo, and the yolk, which consists of the majority of the nutrients the embryo needs to grow. The size, shape, and composition of an egg can vary significantly across species, but they all serve the same fundamental purpose. Eggs are critical to the survival of many species, and their use as a reproductive method is vital for the continuation of life. For mammals like humans, we keep our eggs inside of us, and pregnancy is the way of developing offspring. But many other animals, such as birds, reptiles, fish, and amphibians, they use eggs outside of their body to reproduce. In the animal kingdom, eggs provide a safe, protected environment for embryos to develop. The hard shells act as a physical barrier, keeping predators out, while the yolk provides all the nutrients the embryo needs to grow. The egg white acts as a cushion, protecting the embryo from shocks or impacts. For many animals, laying eggs is a strategy that helps them maximize the chances of survival for their offspring. Animals like chickens and turtles lay multiple eggs at once, increasing the likelihood that at least one of their offspring will survive into adulthood. The egg also allows these animals to invest in the development of their young without having to carry them around in their bodies for long periods. Eggs come in a wide variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, and each species has its own unique adaptations to ensure the survival of their young. While most people are familiar with bird eggs, especially the chicken egg, there is a vast diversity of eggs throughout the animal kingdom. Bird eggs are most commonly recognized. They are typically hard-shelled and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. The hard shell protects the developing embryo and helps to prevent it from drying out. Chickens, ducks, and ostriches are some of the most common birds known for laying eggs. Reptiles, such as turtles, snakes, and lizards, also lay eggs, but their shells are often leathery rather than hard. Their eggs are laid in nests or hidden in the sand where they incubate. The leathery shell allows for some flexibility but still protects the developing embryo. Frogs and other amphibians lay eggs in water. These eggs are typically surrounded by a jelly-like substance that protects them from the water environment. Amphibian eggs are not as hard or leathery as those of birds and reptiles, but the jelly helps to protect them from environmental threats. Fish lay eggs in vast quantities, often in large floating masses. Fish eggs are typically small, soft, and gelatinous. Some fish, like salmon, lay their eggs in freshwater streams, while others deposit eggs on the ocean floor. In my opinion, some of the strangest looking eggs that you will ever see belong to sharks. They have very unique shapes and are almost rubbery in texture. Near me, there is a shark in an aquarium that lays lots of eggs, and every time I take my daughter to see them, we see different shark eggs hanging from the tank. Sharks have such unique looking eggs. Insects such as butterflies and bees also lay eggs, but their eggs are usually much smaller than those of vertebrates. Insect eggs come in a variety of shapes and are often laid in specific locations like leaves or underground chambers where the larvae have access to food once they hatch. Have you ever seen an apple snail eggs? They look almost like candy, and there's so many of them. Each type of egg is specific specifically adapted to the needs of the animal species, ensuring that the next generation will survive and thrive in its unique environment. Egg farming is part of the agricultural industry, providing a constant supply of eggs for consumption worldwide. Modern egg farming typically involves large-scale operations where hens are raised specifically for egg production. These farms can range from free-range environments where hens are allowed to roam outdoors to conventional cage systems where hens are kept in enclosed spaces. The process begins with the hens being fed a balanced diet that promotes egg laying, and their eggs are collected daily for distribution to markets. In recent years, there has been increased consumer demand for ethically raised eggs, leading to a rise in organic, free-range, and cage-free egg farming practices. Aside from producing eggs for food, egg farming also supports industries such as hatching, where eggs are incubated to produce chicks for further breeding or meat production. The practices surrounding egg farming vary greatly depending on local regulations and consumer preferences, but it plays a crucial role in feeding populations and supporting the global food chain. Organic eggs come from hens that are fed organic, non-GMO feed and raised without synthetic pesticides, antibiotics, or hormones. Free-range eggs come from hens that have access to the outdoors, though the amount of space and time outside varies by farm. Cage-free eggs come from hens that are not kept in cages, but are typically housed in indoor barns with room to move. Each term reflects different farming practices and animal welfare standards. If you aren't vegan, eating eggs is a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet, offering a wide range of culinary possibilities. Rich in protein, vitamins, and essential nutrients like vitamin D and B12, eggs are not only a great source of energy but also support overall health. They can be prepared in countless ways, from scrambling and frying to boiling and poaching, each method bringing out different textures and flavors. Eggs are a staple in many dishes, whether served on their own as a breakfast item or incorporated into baked goods, salads, or savory meals like omelets and quiches. Additionally, they are quick and easy to prepare, making them a convenient choice for busy mornings or a light meal at any time of day. Whether enjoying sunny side up or part of an elaborate dish, eggs are both delicious and incredibly adaptable to various tastes and cooking styles. Eggs have long been associated with Easter, and they hold a deep symbolic meaning in many cultures. The symbolism of eggs as a representation of new life and rebirth makes them a fitting symbol for Easter, which celebrates the resurrection in Christian traditions. The tradition of decorating eggs for Easter dates back centuries. In many cultures, eggs were painted or dyed as part of a spring festival. Early Christians are thought to be the first to color eggs red as a symbol of the blood of Christ, and this tradition spread throughout Europe. In medieval Europe, eggs were often considered a forbidden food during Lent, and so people would boil or preserve eggs to keep them for Easter. These eggs were decorated to mark the end of the fasting period. In the 1700s, the traditions of decorating eggs for Easter became widespread in Europe and North America. The eggs were often hand-painted with bright colors, patterns, and religious symbols to celebrate the arrival of spring. The custom of hiding Easter eggs for children to find became popular in the 19th century, with the Easter Bunny becoming a symbol of fertility and renewal and playing a prominent role in the holiday. Today, decorating Easter eggs is a tradition in many cultures, and people across the world engage in egg painting and egg hunts as part of the Easter celebrations. Painting eggs is an ancient tradition, and there are countless ways to decorate them. Some methods are simple, while others are incredibly intricate, requiring patience and skill. Here are some popular egg painting techniques. Dyeing eggs. This is the most common method of painting eggs. In this technique, eggs are dipped into dye or colored liquid to create vibrant, even colors. You can use store-bought egg dye or create your own by boiling natural ingredients like beets, onions, and spinach. Dyeing eggs is fun and easy, making it a favorite activity for families during Easter. Decoupage is a technique where decorative paper such as napkins or tissue paper is glued to the surface of the egg. This is a great method for adding patterns and textures without needing advanced painting skills. Painted designs. For more artistic eggs, some people use fine paintbrushes and acrylic paint to create detailed designs. This can include everything from geometric patterns to miniature works of art on each egg. Painted eggs can be used as decorations or as gifts. Natural egg decorating. Instead of using artificial dyes, some people decorate eggs with natural materials such as flowers, leaves, or spices. The eggs are carefully wrapped in these materials and then boiled to transfer the color or pattern to the egg's shell. Pysanka eggs are a traditional form of Ukrainian folk art, known for their intricate and colorful designs. These decorated eggs are created using a technique called wax resist, where beeswax is applied to the surface of the egg to create detailed patterns and symbols. Once the wax is applied, the egg is dipped in dye, each layer of color representing a different aspect of Ukrainian culture and beliefs. The process can involve multiple layers of wax and dye, resulting in vibrant, multicolored designs that feature geometric patterns, floral motifs, and symbols with deep cultural meanings, such as the sun, fertility, and protection. Pysanka eggs are often made during the Easter season, symbolizing renewal and the triumph of life over death. This art form has been passed down through generations and is a significant part of Ukrainian heritage, often gifted to loved ones as symbols of good fortune and well-wishing. The beauty and craftsmanship of these eggs continue to be celebrated both in Ukraine and around the world. Fabergé eggs are renowned masterpieces for craftsmanship famously created by the Russian jeweler Peter Karl Fabergé and his workshop in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. These exquisitely decorated eggs were originally designed as Easter gifts for the Russian imperial family, particularly for Tsar Alexander III and his son, Tsar Nicholas II. Each egg was meticulously crafted from precious metals, gemstones, enamel, and intricate designs, often containing hidden surprises such as miniature animals, jeweled flowers, or even tiny movable parts. The Fabergé eggs are celebrated not only for their beauty but also for their technical innovation, with some incorporating advanced mechanical features. Today, these eggs are considered priceless works of art, with only 50 known to exist, many of which are held in private collections and museums around the world. They symbolize the opulence and grandeur of the Russian Empire and remain a symbol of the fine craftsmanship and artistic excellence. And now it's time for some fun facts. But before we do, please tell me if you enjoy dyeing Easter eggs. I like doing them with my daughter, but I have some sensory issues, so I do not like to get any of the dye on my fingers. My favorite part is actually eating them because I love a good boiled egg. I also really enjoy Easter egg hunts when I was a child, though now, as the adult, I get to enjoy hiding them. What about you? If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and now onto some fun and interesting facts about eggs. The largest egg ever recorded came from a dinosaur, and it was over 18 inches long. Eggshells come in many different colors, including white, brown, blue, and even green, depending on the breed of bird. Some animals, like seahorses, have males that carry and protect the eggs. In ancient times, people believed that cracking an egg would let out a soul, so eggs were sometimes kept intact as part of rituals. A single egg contains almost every nutrient the body needs, including protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it one of nature's most complete foods. Eggs are an essential part of life for many animals and a beloved tradition in human culture. From their role in reproduction to their connection with Easter, eggs are truly remarkable. Whether you're using them to create a beautiful piece of artwork, preparing a delicious meal, or celebrating new life, eggs have an incredible range of significance across cultures and species. Thank you for joining me in exploring the fascinating world of eggs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Teachers and homeschooling parents, if you're teaching about eggs, please be sure to check out the link in the description for educational resources to make learning fun and engaging while making prep time easy for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to get messy and make lots of mistakes today. Bye! So a fun little story is when I was younger, we didn't know that the eggs at the supermarket are not fertilized, so my sister and I attempted to hatch an egg, and we thought it'd be especially a good idea to hatch an egg in a pickle jar. The pickles were removed. So in the end, the smell was absolutely horrible, coming from our bedroom of a decomposing egg in a pickle jar. And that was not a good idea. Lesson learned, though. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.